Hey guys, how are you? It's Lindy and welcome to a new video. Oh, I feel like it's way too blue right now. Let me just change the settings real quick, okay? This is better. Hello, hey, and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to answer some questions that you guys sent me. Because I was actually planning on making another video and I spent like 7 hours filming that and everything went to complete shit. So that video isn't gonna happen anymore. So I had to come up with something new. But because I generally think that like these Q&A videos can get very boring very easily, I asked you guys how I could make it more interesting. And basically all of you said, show Pablo. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to answer some questions while I show my cat Pablo throughout the entire video. So if you guys are interested in seeing Pablo, then please keep on watching. Okay, bitches. Sorry. First question, what is Pablo's breed? I get this question a lot. And I gotta be honest, I have absolutely no idea. He's adopted and they don't know who his father is. His mom is a European Shorthair though. So he definitely is part European Shorthair, which honestly is just a default cat that we have over here. So that's not like a special breed at all. But I don't know what his father is. So it's honestly a mystery to me. I have no idea. Have you ever tried marijuana? 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 Yeah, I have. I mean, I live in the Netherlands, so here it's not really a big deal or anything. I know a lot of people who smoke weed, but I do not care for it at all. Like, I don't like it. It only makes me feel sick and hungry and sleepy, so I don't do it. Like, I've done it a few times, but it's not for me. Even though everybody thinks that I'm like a complete stoner, that I'm always high while filming my videos. Like, I'm never high. I don't care for it. I don't do it. What type of music do you like? Honestly, my music taste is really weird and all over the place. I listen to the weirdest music ever. But I would say like my favorite type of music is like, I really love classical music. And I also really love music that just makes me laugh. I don't listen to music that's like very serious or anything. I'll insert a song that I like right now. Yeah, this is the type of music that I mostly listen to. Would you rather sleep or eat? Definitely sleep, 100%, no question about it. Is it possible to bleach your hair till it's white without the noodle problem because yours is healthy? I don't know where you guys get this information from, but my hair is not healthy. I get so many questions of people asking me how to properly bleach your hair and everything, and I do not know why people keep asking me that, because if you've ever seen one of my videos, you know that I'm fucking terrible at hair. Like, it always turns out like complete shit. So, I'm sorry, I can't help you. If you know the answer, please let me know, because I need to know as well. If you didn't have Pablo, what pet would you have? I really want to have a dog. Like, really want to have a dog. So I would definitely have a dog, maybe even 5 dogs. So yeah. Were you ever bullied as a kid? If so, how did you deal with it? Yeah, I got bullied when I was younger by the kids in my neighborhood. And they would always like make fun of me and like tell me I'm ugly, tell me my hair was ugly, tell me I'm dumb, tell me like blah. They would also like chase me around and stuff. And it was like this entire group of children who did that. But I really didn't care about it. I don't know. They would like tell me I'm ugly, but I was like, I don't care about your opinion. I mean, they would make like a lot of fun of my hair, but I actually really liked my hair. So I was like, okay, whatever. Like, you cannot like my hair, that's fine. I like it. Like, I'm not gonna change it for you. Like, who do you think you are? So yeah, I never really gave them a lot of attention. I literally don't care. I don't know. Would you ever shave your head again? No, never again. I'm done with this. At least that is what I'm saying right now, but I'll probably end up shaving it again in like 10 years or so. But for now, I never want to experience this ever again. What were you like as a kid? Honestly, Exactly the same as I am right now. Like, I'm pretty sure I've been stuck at age 7 for the past 17 years. So, yeah. Have you worked with something other than YouTube? Yes, I have. I used to work at a grocery store for 7 years, which is like an insane long time. By the way, these leaves are like really annoying me. But yeah, I used to work at a grocery store for 7 years. I've worked at a clothing store. I've worked at a greenhouse. I've worked as a cleaner. And I've done some other like small jobs in between as well. How do you gain confidence to wear not normal clothes? Love you, kisses from Shiu. Shiu? Xiao. Shiu. I don't know how you say it in English, I'm sorry. But love you too! And kisses to you too. Honestly, the only piece of advice that I can give you, which is probably easier said than done, is just don't care about what other people think of you. Just do whatever you want to do. Like, other people's opinion of you are like incredibly irrelevant. I mean, I've never cared about other people's opinions of me, so that always gave me just the freedom to do whatever I want to do. I mean, people look at me weird every single day, but I don't care. Do I know those people? No, I don't. Should I care about their opinion? No, I really shouldn't, because I don't know them, and I'm probably never gonna see them in my life ever again. And even if I did, still don't care about their opinion. Because I wear the things that make me happy, and I don't think that I should compromise my happiness because of other people's opinion. So that's the advice I can give you. Just don't give a fuck. Life will be a lot easier, I promise. How much has your hair grown since you shaved your head? I don't know, I haven't measured it, but it looks like this right now. Oh my god, I totally forgot that I was wearing a wig cap. It looks like this, gorgeous, right? Let me just take this off. It looks like this. It is a full head of hair already. Ooh. Would you ever live anywhere else other than the Netherlands? If yes, where? Yes. There's one place that I would consider moving to, which is Copenhagen in Denmark. Because I flippity flapping love Copenhagen. I'm actually going there in about a month or so. Yeah, so I would really want to live there. But I feel like the main reason why I would want to live there is because it's actually very similar to the city that I live in right now. So I could move there, but honestly it wouldn't make that much of a difference. Where are you from? Because when you talk English it sounds kind of weird. I am from the Netherlands, and to be fair, when I speak in my native language I also sound weird. So it's not really about the language I speak, it's just about me. Why are you using cosmetics tested on animals? I actually don't. I've been using only cruelty-free products for about 3 years now, I think. The only products that I use that are not cruelty-free are like hair products. So for example, my bleach is not cruelty free, and some of the gels that I use are not cruelty free because it's kind of hard to find a good replacement. But honestly, I buy those products like once a year. So yeah, but everything else is cruelty free. My entire face is cruelty free right now. Bing, bing, bing. Your favorite band of all time? De Staat. And De Staat is a Dutch band, but they make English music. So I would definitely recommend you guys listening to it, because honestly their music is amazing. And I'm actually going to see them next week and I'm super excited. So yeah, definitely check De Staat out. They're like really cool. So yeah guys, this was today's video. Sorry it was a little bit boring. I had a whole different video planned, but it just didn't work out. I'll try to make the next one a little bit more interesting, okay? I'm sorry. But anyways, I hope you guys liked looking at Pablo. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, if you want to see more of Pablo, he actually has an Instagram account, so you can follow him right here. Bing, bing, bing. You can also follow me on Instagram, which is at crystallindyy. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope to see you in my next video. Bye!